Bink here with Bink's Corvair Addiction. I had pulled this all apart, my spindle off. I want to, besides clean everything here and sandblast that backer plate, and I want to pull the bearings out, clean the bearings, check the seal. And this is all new to me. I've never did any of this before. So right now I'm over there trying to pull the seal out. Gary said, go ahead, pull the seal out, pull the bearings out, wash it all, clean it. I want to put new studs in there. I like the ones that I put on the back. They're a little bit longer, which work better for these aluminum rims. You get a lot more of the nut over it, which is probably what you're supposed to have anyways. So I'm trying to get that seal out. Gary said, go ahead and just pry it out with a screwdriver. So I'm like, So I'm making a tool for it. I'm sure there's a tool. I do have a tool, but it exactly won't work. So let's go see what I got going on over at the bench. So here's my spindle, and I do have, Gary just said go ahead and pry it out with a screwdriver, but if I pry, it's just pushing down on this side. And then I did order a tool for pulling, but it's just gonna start pushing really hard on the bearing, and I don't think I wanna do that. Maybe it would work, I don't know. But I'm gonna make a tool over there. Let's see if it'll work. Actually, this is what I am thinking about doing. I'm gonna take an old wrench that fits under there just nice. And I'm gonna build a little piece that goes right on this side and not into the bearing, so I can tap down on it and pop it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just an old wrench. Doesn't matter much to me. Piece of 1-inch flat stock. I hammered it, curved it a little bit so it fits this shape. I am going to, I drilled a hole here. I'm just gonna cut up each side and then cut it on an angle so my wrench fits in there. That's all I'm gonna do. And see if that'll work. Now I know there's probably a tool, easy way of doing it. Gary said use a screwdriver. I don't know, I tried a little bit and I don't like it. I don't wanna wreck the seal. Probably put new ones in anyways. Now it's gonna weld that somewhere, wherever I need it. The tactor on there, it's close enough. I can bang it around a little bit to straighten her out. Welding all the way around, overkill. Overkill. Is it gonna work? I don't know. I didn't try it yet. I tweaked it a little bit so it would fit. I ground this a little bit down so it wasn't touching the seal. I angled the wrench down a little bit here. I had to bang that so it kind of fit this shape here. Literally I got probably 8 minutes on it, you know, so I'm gonna see if, let's see if it works. I'll zoom in. I don't know, maybe I need a bigger hammer here. Looks like it's, I'm not gonna celebrate nothing. Looks like it's working though. Looks like it's going, why would it go down on the other side? Ah, yeah. Okay. There we go. Did exactly what I wanted it to do. I didn't want to damage nothing. It looks fine. And what I did is I made this part here, so it sat right on this edge here, and just hooked underneath there. Could it have been a little longer? Maybe a little longer on there. No, I think we're pretty good. It worked. It worked good. It did what it did. It was supposed to. Hey, it worked. This is my new little tool. Like I said, I called Gary. He said use a screwdriver. And I know when it's pushing, it's just kind of pushing down on that side. Kind of wanted to pull it up evenly. And I'm like, hey, I ordered this on Amazon. And I think that's where I got it. And I just wasn't digging it. Like, I don't know, maybe it would have been fine. I don't know. Let me know how you guys do it. Do you use this? This thing worked fine because I wasn't pressing down on this side. So, and I like making stuff. I like making little things that will help around the shop. Like I said, it literally took like 10 minutes. And I can use it, I'll use it on the other one. I'll use it on the next vehicle. Like if the other side, if it's like trashed, or if I'm just gonna replace these, maybe I'll just try this to see what it does, you know? So anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Let me know any comments, ways I should do it better, what tools to use. I'm learning. It's all new to me. Anyways, having fun. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Corvair Addiction.